Today we're talking about installing a Tiger Grip box. The idea is that you open up a hole in the drywall, you're able to insert the box, and using these bracket screws, you tighten the screws, causing this bracket to sandwich the drywall and these brackets up here. First step, to level out your box and position where you want it. Next step is to outline the outer edge of the Tiger Grip with pencil. Next step is to use a drywall saw and cut out the outer edge of your box. At this point, you want to dry fit your box to make sure it's going to fit correctly. You can then clean up any edges to make them square. The next step is to install your MC or flexible conduit into your Tiger Grip box. Next step is to gently install the box. You're going to be tapping it in, trying not to damage any drywall surrounding it. Once the box is in place, you're going to want to center it in your hole, move the tabs and hook them. This will make the flaps in the back ready to come and sandwich the drywall. Next step is to tighten the screws, causing the bracket in the back to sandwich the drywall. Now you're ready to device your box. Install a cover plate, which will cover up the rest of your hole, and wash down the drywall from finger marks.